If you are planning to purchase an electrical vehicle, or if you have purchased an electric vehicle, so this video is really important for you. Income Tax Department had introduced in section 80EEB, in which deduction in respect of interest paid on loan taken for purchase of electrical vehicle is allowed as a deduction. So the limit is up to 1,50,000 is allowed. Government of India introduced this section to promote purchase of electric vehicle. So let's start this video. Watch till end to get the benefit of this section. What are the eligibility criteria? So the deduction under this section is available only to individuals. So if you are HUF, AOP, partnership firm or a company or any other kind of taxpayer, you cannot claim any benefit under this section. So this deduction is only available to the individuals. And how much amount of deduction? So up to rupees 1,50,000 available under section 80EEB. A vehicle may be purchased for the purpose of personal use or for the business use. If you are using for a business, so you can claim full amount of interest paid under your business expenditure. And if you are claiming your interest expense as a business expenditure, so you will not allowed to take benefit of this benefit of deduction under this section. So what are the important documents you need to keep at the time of filing return or for future reference? So taxpayer should obtain the interest paid certificate, and you should always have the tax invoice and the loan document like sanction letter at the time of filing return and the future also. So keep these three documents always with you. And what are the conditions for claiming the refund? So there are three conditions for claiming refund. The loan must be taken from a financial institution or a non-banking financial company for buying an electrical vehicle. So loan must be only from the financial institution or non-banking financial company. So if you are taken loan from a friend or someone else, so the deduction of interest will not be allowed here. Second one is the loan must be sanctioned any time during the period starting from 1st April 2019 till 31st March 2023. So if you had taken loan before 1st April 2019, so the deduction of interest will not be allowed here. Third one is definition of electric vehicle. So you should comply the definition of electrical vehicle which is powered by the electrical motor. So there are three conditions for claiming deduction. Now we are some question answer. So let's start this question answer to remove any doubts in your mind. So first one is deduction under section 80EEB is available for 4-wheeled vehicles and for 2-wheeled vehicles both. So deduction is available for the both vehicles. This section has never restricted the any kind of vehicle, so deduction is available for both type of vehicles. Second one is deduction available to NR. So in the absence of any specific provision, deduction under section 80EEB will be available to both resident and non-resident individual. Third one is for how many years this deduction shall be available. So deduction under this section shall be available until repayment of your loan. Fourth and the last, whether repayment of principal amount of loan is also available as a deduction under this under section 80EEB. So answer is no. Only deduction in respect of interest payment is available under this section. So thanks for listening me.